Okay, let's go enjoy for the vlog my content. So, nalipat ko ng aking solar all the top. Kasi because this is the front door, it's very dark. Oh, yeah. What to say? It's about midnight at night, but exactly. So to open the door, to look over here. Hello, what are you doing? So ayan. It's very dark. Yes, it's pretty. Sabi is pretty. Diba? Maganda. Hey. Oh, this is very dark. Yes, there's a security guard here. Now further to my home working and building streets. So mukhang tayo dito. Hello, Kitty. It's a beautiful kids. So what I never heard. Punta tayo na sa security guard namin. It's midnight the night. Hi!
Alaga? Kaya sa number 19, pag wala akong makain, punta lang ako doon. Oh. Sige, yung kumain ka doon. Okay pala eh.
Saan?
O sige, mabukan. Nanonood show kayo o tayo hindi na? Hindi na siguro ma.
Pati nakita mo na yun? Ayun.
Hindi na?
Christmas light. So, tinatry ko lang siya. Hindi tayo nakakita ng cash money. Uy, halina kayo. Dali na. Hindi ko makita yung ano. Very dark place. I like to be tomorrow.